We are now today here again. It has been a very important day, very beautiful day. It is the time of Mahashivratri and we are trying to purchase and just have it with all this big celebration of Kashmiri Pandits. We are trying to have it in a very nice and in a very enthusiastic manner, and we have purchased, Kashmiri Pandits have purchased the ingredients here, and at the same time we have already explained you all the items which are required for this Mahashivratri. And ladies and gentlemen, now is karo mani wucho ki what are the important masalas, means that which enter our kitchen, so and which are the which have been used by Kashmiri Pandits for very long time, and which are very delicious and which are our enter our soul and heart through our stomach. So let us understand that one by one. Oh, great meeting you, Mara. Thank you, God bless you. And she will explain us one by one all the ingredients, all the important delicacies, means that what are the spices, what are the items that we use for our this various delicacies preparations, Kashmiri Pandits. So let's go one by one. ये क्या हमारा छु हमारा के मरचांगन स्पेशल एक्सीलेंट अच्छा बदान मारा बदान पाउडर लेदर पाउडर मारा छु लेदर पाउडर शोट पाउडर मारा गुड मोगल चाय क्या मोगल चाय कुछ मारा मोगल चाय चाहिए मोगल चाय गुड इट इज कहवा दैट्स वेरी गुड एक्सीलेंट शीर चाय गुड एक्सीलेंट अच्छा ये गए ऐसे शीर चाय ना त्रावान सु फुल तो त्रावान तब सु फुल तो क्या मोस्टली सु फुल मेलान ये बट देन ये क्या हमारा मेज फुल तो मेज. So this full is also very important because you can have the only place in the world, I don't know, maybe in Kashmir, we are having this sheer chai, this milk tea with full with salt. ये क्या हमारा छु? ये हमारा छु वायरे टिक्की. That's great, madam. So
basically क्या हो सस्कोशित है उसमें fresh मसाला था because of climatic conditions.
अच्छा.
उससे sorry usen as masala छसा. That is based on dry this thing. We dry the products and then we use that spices.
So basically
we don't use fresh मुंजन में चुते अदरक छासान. अच्छी अदरक यूज करा मगर अच्छी शोंठ यूज करा.
अच्छा. That's why you mean to say that कि भाई it is the dry form of the spices.
Yeah, because we use the dry form of every spice.
Oh, that's great.
We don't use fresh form.
तो तवई छु ये ऐसने से
ये इकनसन मुंजन में चुते मर्चवांगन पाउडर ये होखमुद मर्चवांगन.
अच्छा ये होखमुद
बदान ये होख बदान तक पाउडर आमुद कर. We don't use सौंफ. तो अगर वो चुते नॉन कश्मीरी cuisine छु तक में छु बदान यूजन छु तिम छु शोंठे यूज करा.
अच्छा शोंठे यूज करा. अच्छा पाउडर फॉर्म में यूज करा.
तिम छु अदरक यूज करा. अच्छा शोंठ यूज करा. पाउडर फॉर्म.
गुड. तो अच्छा ये इसीलिए छु ये आमुद है
ये छु it is a combo of all dry masala.
All dry masalas. That dry masalas means all these masalas that you are having, it is the combination of that. So if you don't have these masala at all, can you prepare with this only?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. That's very nice. मतलब अगर ये मसारी ऐसे मसाला पाउडर फॉर्म में आसन ये टिक्की फॉर्म में है कोस and it can do the preparation. The complete preparations can be done by this. Excellent.
It can be. This is the alternative of all these.
Alternative of all these masalas. तो याद ये बनान चीज़ word tikki.
It is in tikki form. That is why we say tikki. Otherwise, हमारा चीज़ साथ वर बना.
वर अच्छा tikki. That's one. Tikki form is very good. Thank you, madam. ये क्या हमारा छु?
हमारा छु young.
अच्छा young
क्या छु आसान? Basically using.
Can you explain it slightly? Yeah.
कशिर पंटन हुंद using cuisine छु.
हाँ ठीक है.
सुचुन garlic base. सुचुन onion base.
अच्छा onion या garlic base छु नसो.
सुचुन tomato base.
अच्छा.
young bases पैटर्न चेस.
अच्छा young bases पैटर्न नीचो sorry क्या. अच्छा.
सुचुन सन की नतन गाओ कश्मीरी कशिर पंटन हिसाब गाओ garlic young टमाटर ये sorry छोट.
अच्छा. तो इसलिए जो ये young use करा. There is no garlic here. There's
no garlic in any of the spices.
Wait, tomato.
No tomatoes, no garlic, no onion. Whatever.
No onion. These three things are, and that's why we are using this yanga. ये किस पर ये क्या मनान अंग्रेज़ी पर क्या चीज़ बोलते हैं? हींग.
ऐसे कुछ बोलते हैं.
No, no. Acha, it must be something. Anyway,
don't remember
people will
right
tell. Acha, bhai kamara bhai tu badi jaan cheez
Bhai,
pahiye.
mara
Kamara ye अच्छी तुली तो ये warmer it is my most pet. You know that winter.
Manan banawan SS yel first snowfall os atan
Correct.
atan dal masal banawan be lavas.
Excellent. Good. And then
rajma.
जब was a special rajma. Good. Mara good. And what else, madam?
Himara jo monja anchar.
Acha, monja achar. That's good.
That too prepared. This is homemade.
Homemade. Excellent. Good.
This is pan banawa.
अच्छा.
Sim sari masal pan.
They के बाकी चीम सरी वाली. So, ladies and gentlemen, have a look. So, God bless you. So, now you have understood all the good things. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you just saw. I explained you. This lady has been kudos to her. She has explained us everything, all the details what are required in a Kashmiri Pandit. Oh, in the kitchen to make all the delicacies, all the good and all the excellent things that enter our stomach, that we eat, that we relish and we enjoy, and of course it is without, as she explained time and again, very carefully and in very detail. So we thank her, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you.